Welcome to an oven cake and cookies. Today I am making a refreshing and tangy, fresh green mango bar. No oil, no sunlight needed. Sweet, slightly spicy, and full of real mango flavor. This homemade treat is perfect for summer and loved by both kids and adults. Let's start the recipe. Take 500 g raw mango. Peel the mangoes and cut them into pieces. Raw mango treats are very popular during summer. Sweet and tangy flavors create a refreshing combination. Now pour the mango pieces over 2 cups boiling water. Cook until the mangoes become soft. Mash well. Cook mango until fully soft before mashing. And strain the mixture for a smooth texture. Pour the mango pulp into a pan. Add 1 and 1/4 cup sugar. Keep stirring continuously. Now add 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon chili powder, mango-based snacks are enjoyed in many cultures. Add 2 to 3 drops yellow food color. Mix well. Cook for about 8 to 10 minutes until the mixture thickens and the large bubbles start forming. Grease plate lightly with oil. Pour the mixture into the plate and spread evenly. Keep under a fan for about 10 minutes until completely cool and set. Homemade fruit bars can be made without preservative. Grease the plate properly for easy removal. Cut into bars and serve. Raw mango contains vitamin C and antioxidants. Homemade fruit snacks are fresher and cleaner. You can control sugar and spice levels. Fresh mango provides natural fruity flavor. Your delicious fresh mango bars are ready. Enjoy this sweet and tangy summer treat. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Innovent Cake and Cookies for more easy homemade recipes.